Greetings to our channel. In today's episode, we'll delve into 23 unexpected foods renowned for their natural ability to decrease cholesterol levels. High cholesterol poses a prevalent health risk that, if unaddressed, can result in severe heart complications. While medications offer assistance, adopting dietary modifications presents a potent method to manage your cholesterol. Before we proceed, it's crucial to emphasize that while these foods offer benefits, they should not serve as substitutes for medical guidance or prescribed medications. Always seek advice from your healthcare provider before implementing significant dietary alterations. 1. Okra. Okra stands out as a nutritional powerhouse, abundant in soluble fiber that aids in reducing cholesterol absorption in the gut. The mucilage found in okra binds to bile acids, derived from cholesterol, facilitating their excretion from the body. Additionally, this exceptional vegetable is rich in antioxidants known as polyphenol, which contribute to lowering inflammation and safeguarding against heart disease. 2. Avocado. Avocados boast an abundance of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to elevate HDL, good, cholesterol levels and reduce LDL, bad, cholesterol. Furthermore, they are a source of fiber and plant sterols, compounds known for inhibiting cholesterol absorption in the intestines. Integrating avocados into your diet can be effortlessly achieved by incorporating them into salads, sandwiches, or smoothies. 3. Apple. The age-old adage, "an apple a day keeps the doctor away," might hold some merit, especially concerning cholesterol management. Apples are rich in pectin, a soluble fiber known to lower LDL cholesterol by binding to it in the gut and facilitating its elimination. Additionally, they contain polyphenol, antioxidants renowned for reducing inflammation and providing protection against heart disease. 4. Eggplant. Eggplant stands out as a low-calorie vegetable rich in fiber and antioxidants. Notably, it contains nazeanin, a compound found in the purple pigment of its skin. Nazeanin has demonstrated effectiveness in reducing cholesterol levels by diminishing cholesterol absorption in the gut. Moreover, eggplant provides a good dose of chlorogenic acid, an antioxidant known to enhance cholesterol metabolism. 5. Barley. Barley, a whole grain abundant in beta-glucan, a soluble fiber, has demonstrated effectiveness in reducing cholesterol levels. Beta-glucan functions by binding to bile acids in the gut, derived from cholesterol, and facilitating their elimination, thereby decreasing the cholesterol absorbed into the bloodstream. Additionally, barley serves as a valuable source of antioxidants and other nutrients beneficial for heart health. 6. Fatty fish. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties and capacity to reduce triglycerides, a type of blood fat associated with heart disease. Omega-3s also play a role in elevating HDL cholesterol levels while decreasing LDL cholesterol. It's advisable to aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week to maximize these health benefits. 7. Oats. Oats offer another superb reservoir of beta-glucan, the same type of soluble fiber present in barley. Beta-glucan aids in lowering LDL cholesterol levels by binding to it in the gut, impeding its absorption. Moreover, oats are abundant in antioxidants known as avenanthramides, which have anti-inflammatory properties and provide protection against heart disease. Opting for whole oats over instant oatmeal ensures you reap the maximum benefits. 8. Flax seeds. Flax seeds, small yet mighty, are potent allies for heart health. Rich in lignans, they contribute to lowering cholesterol levels. Additionally, their high fiber and omega-3 fatty acid content aids in reducing inflammation and enhancing cholesterol metabolism. Opt for ground flax seeds for easier digestion, and incorporate them into smoothies, oatmeal, or baked goods for maximum benefit. 9. Dark chocolate. Indulging in dark chocolate isn't just a delightful treat, it can also promote heart health. Dark chocolate boasts an abundance of flavonoids, antioxidants known to lower LDL cholesterol and elevate HDL cholesterol levels. Opt for dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, ideally at least 70%, and savor it in moderation as a component of a well-rounded diet. 10. Soy. Soy-based foods such as tofu, tempeh, and soy milk are notable for their protein and fiber content, along with the presence of isoflavones, compounds that aid in reducing cholesterol levels. Isoflavones achieve this by enhancing the function of liver receptors responsible for removing LDL cholesterol from the bloodstream. Additionally, they may contribute to elevating HDL cholesterol levels. Opt for whole soy products over processed alternatives to maximize their health benefits. 11. Nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, among other nuts, are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and plant sterols, all of which contribute to reducing cholesterol levels. The monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats present in nuts play a role in elevating HDL cholesterol while decreasing LDL cholesterol. Moreover, nuts are abundant in antioxidants that offer protection against heart disease. Incorporating a daily handful of nuts into your diet as part of a balanced approach is advisable. 12. Garlic. Garlic, a flavorful herb with a long history of use in promoting health and preventing disease, contains allicin and diallyl disulfide, both known for their cholesterol-lowering properties. These compounds function by impeding cholesterol synthesis in the liver and enhancing cholesterol excretion from the body. Additionally, garlic serves as a valuable source of antioxidants that contribute to reducing inflammation and providing protection against heart disease. 13. Beans. Beans are adaptable and nourishing food items abundant in fiber, protein, and various nutrients that promote heart health. They are especially notable for their high content of soluble fiber, which aids in reducing cholesterol levels by binding to it in the gut and facilitating its elimination. Additionally, beans serve as a valuable source of plant sterols, which assist in obstructing cholesterol absorption in the intestines. 14. Berries. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are abundant in antioxidants and various nutrients that contribute to heart health. They are particularly rich in anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant proven to lower cholesterol levels and alleviate inflammation. Additionally, berries provide a significant source of fiber, which supports healthy digestion and reduces cholesterol absorption in the gut. 15. Chia seeds. Chia seeds, though small in size, pack a powerful punch with their abundance of fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. They are especially noteworthy for their high content of soluble fiber, which aids in reducing cholesterol levels by binding to it in the gut and facilitating its elimination. Furthermore, chia seeds serve as a valuable source of plant sterols, which assist in obstructing cholesterol absorption in the intestines. 16. Kale. Kale, a leafy green vegetable packed with nutrients, offers significant support for heart health. It boasts a compound known as bile acid sequestrants, which aid in reducing cholesterol levels by binding to bile acids in the gut and facilitating their elimination. Additionally, kale provides ample amounts of antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin K, crucial for maintaining proper blood clotting and bone health. 17. Olive oil. Olive oil, a heart-healthy fat abundant in monounsaturated fatty acids, contributes to elevating HDL cholesterol levels while reducing LDL cholesterol. Additionally, it is rich in antioxidants known as polyphenol, which aid in reducing inflammation and providing protection against heart disease. Opt for extra virgin olive oil to maximize these benefits, using it in place of less healthy fats like butter or vegetable oil. 18. Grapefruit. Grapefruit, a zesty citrus fruit, is rich in fiber, antioxidants, and various nutrients beneficial for heart health. Notably, it contains pectin, a soluble fiber known for its ability to lower cholesterol levels by binding to it in the gut and facilitating its excretion. Additionally, grapefruit serves as a significant source of vitamin C, an antioxidant renowned for reducing inflammation and providing protection against heart disease. 19. Quinoa. Quinoa, a gluten-free whole grain, is rich in fiber, protein, and various nutrients essential for heart health. It features an antioxidant known as quercetin, which has demonstrated efficacy in reducing cholesterol levels and alleviating inflammation. Furthermore, quinoa serves as a valuable source of plant sterols, which aid in obstructing cholesterol absorption in the intestines. 20. Shiitake mushrooms. Shiitake mushrooms, commonly utilized in Asian culinary traditions, are edible fungi renowned for their health benefits. They contain beta-glucans, soluble fibers known for their ability to lower cholesterol levels by binding to it in the gut and facilitating its excretion. Additionally, shiitake mushrooms provide a rich source of antioxidants and other nutrients that promote heart health. 21. Spinach. Spinach, a leafy green packed with nutrients, is a valuable addition to a heart-healthy diet. Rich in fiber, antioxidants, and various compounds, it offers support for cardiovascular health. Notably, spinach contains lutein, an antioxidant proven to lower cholesterol levels and alleviate inflammation. Moreover, spinach serves as an excellent source of vitamin K, essential for proper blood clotting and bone health. Incorporate spinach into your salads, smoothies, or sautéed dishes to enhance their nutritional value. 22. Cinnamon. Cinnamon, a fragrant spice with a long history of health-promoting properties, contains cinnamaldehyde, a compound known for its cholesterol-lowering effects and enhancement of insulin sensitivity. Additionally, cinnamon serves as a rich source of antioxidants, which contribute to reducing inflammation and providing protection against heart disease. Incorporating cinnamon into your coffee, oatmeal, or baked goods offers a flavorful and nutritious addition to your diet. 23. Pomegranate. Pomegranates, a fruit rich in nutrients, boast a bounty of antioxidants, fiber, and other beneficial compounds that contribute to heart health. They feature punicalagins, a type of antioxidant known to lower cholesterol levels and alleviate inflammation. Additionally, pomegranates serve as a good source of vitamin C, offering further protection against heart disease. Whether enjoyed whole or as seeds added to salads, yogurt, or smoothies, incorporating pomegranates into your diet is a delicious and nutritious choice. Integrating these 23 foods into your diet offers a delightful and efficient approach to naturally lowering cholesterol levels. It's essential to remember that while these foods provide benefits, they should complement a healthy lifestyle encompassing regular exercise, stress management, and other heart-healthy practices. If you have cholesterol-related concerns or are contemplating significant dietary changes, it's prudent to consult with your healthcare provider beforehand. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.